welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. So like I traveled a little bit. I went home to my nephew's birthday party. You know, I had to go to that little man's birthday party. He turned 6. I wasn't gonna miss that. And then I came home, and then, you know, I was doing some Halloween content. And then I traveled again. I went to Colorado, but none of your business. I'm just kidding. No, but I went to Colorado, and then now I'm back. So I was like, hey, time to film videos, you know, back on it. I swear it was just July. And then Halloween came. Now it's like 2 months until Christmas. Thanksgiving is like in 2 weeks. It's gonna be 2020 in 2 months. Anyway. Okay, anyway, so today I'm gonna be opening the coolest little things I've ever seen in my life. So I've been a TikToker lately, and I've been on TikTok quite a lot, and I've seen some little things that gone viral on there, so I had to buy some, and I'm gonna open them with you. These. Have y'all seen these? They are called mini brands by Eylure. So basically, these things have many things, like mini brands that you find in stores, but miniature. So I bought the 3-packs, and I'm opening them all because these things are so cute. Do y'all like mini things? Because some people just love mini things no matter what, and I love mini things, so I had to buy some, and I'm gonna show y'all. These things are going crazy on TikTok right now, and they're just all over it. Everybody loving them. They're going viral, so I'm like, heh, I'm gonna open these on here with y'all. So if you've never seen them, now you've seen them. So these things are being sold at Walmart's, Target's, but they have them singly. I think they're like $5 or something like that. Yeah, spending $1 on a mini thing each. How crazy is that? Okay, so this is what they actually look like. It's called mini brands. It says mini shopping brands that fit in your hand. Yeah, basically there's over 100 mini brands. They're so cute. Let me show y'all. Okay, so you just take off this top part. I just think the packaging, the opening of packaging is actually very pleasing as well. So I think that's part of it. You go ahead and take that part off. And then this top layer comes off. And then after that, it is a white ball. And then there's another little strip that you peel off. Like it has the little lines. And then boom. This is like ASMR. And then there's these little things right here on each side. I don't know which one, I gotta figure it out. But you like pull it off or you pop it in. There we go, you pull this off and then watch. Isn't that so cool? Like, this is just so pleasing. I don't know, whoever came up with this concept just did it very well. It's like little oranges. It's just like fun to open. It's like, you know? Anyway, let's see in my one. Okay, so then you just get it. It has a little tab. And then you peel it. And then it comes with, one of them has a paper in it and tells you each one that they have. Or like all the kinds that they have. Ooh, I got a moon pie. So see, there's like miniature things in every single one of them. These are all stuff that you can find in the store. Next up I got Mentos gum. Look how cute these things are. Like, it's crazy. Some of y'all probably think I'm crazy for liking this, but it's just so cute. Comment below if you like mini things, because I know I can't be the only one. Ooh, I got some Tresemme conditioner. Yo, these things are just so cute. I'm about to collect all of them. Then I got some Hawaiian Tropic tanning lotion. Ooh. And then last but not least, ooh, I got Warhead worms. Like, I don't know if y'all think this is dumb, then okay, but it's so cute. You gotta admit. So there's 5 of these, and each one And they're just fun to open. Tompa number 2. All right, let's see. If y'all aren't following me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I've been a TikToker lately. One of my videos went viral. Just a random one of me and my brothers. I don't know why it went viral, but it did. And I got like 60,000 followers off of that. So that was cool. I wonder if I'm gonna get any doubles, probably. Ooh, I got some shaving cream. It's so crazy because these things are just literally in stores and you like know what they are. And you're over here getting a miniature version of one. Ooh, now I got some men's shaving cream, you know? This is just so like pleasing, satisfying opening all of these. Oh, I got baby dog lotion. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, snaps. I can't believe it's not butter. Look at that. I got some. I can't believe it's not butter. It would be even cooler if it actually had food in them. They don't. It just has like foam in it, but you know. Well, I got some real proper bacon. I got some bacon. Oh. Number 3. It's an ASMR. I got another Tresemme conditioner. What if one of these things really had all the same ones that I have? Yay! I got Core's 4 cheese riscotto. I'm gonna have a whole mini kitchen, y'all. What? I got some Q-tips. Look at this. I'm telling y'all, these are just so entertaining. They're just so itty bitty and it looks just like it. I got Warhead's Super Sour Spray. Breyer's Cookies and Cream ice cream. This is my favorite ice cream. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. They're just so itty bitty. So I'm gonna actually do like a close-up insert. So these are all of the mini products that I got today. We're opening this. They are so freaking cute and like they look so good. They look just like the products in the store. That's why I'd be so obsessed with them. And you see how little they are? Like this is my hand next to them. This is my hand covering them. It covers almost all of them. They're just so itty bitty. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I'm sorry. It's super random, I know, but like you can get a mini shopping cart. I have one, honestly. I got it in my first one. And then you can get a shopping shelf. And then a basket too, right here. Look, you can get a basket. But yeah, I think whoever came up with this concept is super smart. Comment below if you thought these are cute. Comment below if you've seen these before. If you haven't, then let me know. I would like to know because I haven't seen these until I saw TikTok. And I literally just started TikTok, so it must be new. I don't think they're new. I think they've been out for a long time. I just think TikTok blew them up bigger than they work. You know how social media be doing that. But anyway, that's enough about that. I will see you guys in my next video. If y'all want to see some more of these unboxings, let me know. Maybe I'll open up 100 of them. I'm just kidding. Maybe I'll open up a lot of them, not 100. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in my next video. You know, I'll do some hair videos, makeup videos, holiday videos, all of that. Ooh, I get to set up my Christmas tree soon. Anyway, see you later. Bye.